Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore how self-esteem develops. When our sense of self-worth is low, it can impact everything in our lives, from our work or relationships to our mental or physical health. But the good news is that we can gradually but surely grow our self-esteem by challenging the ingrained ways we've learned to perceive ourselves. So let's begin. Start by settling into a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes and take a moment to notice your posture. Let your back lengthen without becoming rigid. Soften your shoulders and rest your hands in your lap. As you begin to relax and to settle, take a moment to let go of whatever you don't need to carry with you in your meditation. Let go of whatever commitments you have for the rest of your day. Let go of judgments. Even let go of expectations you have around your practice. And now, turn to your breath. Notice your breathing just as it is. Instead of trying to shape it or change it, observe your natural inhales and exhales. Maybe your breath is naturally long or short. Perhaps it feels shallow or deep. It might feel smooth or rugged. Just make room for your innate breath as it moves in and out of your body. Follow it from the beginning of your inhale to the very end of your exhale. And whenever you catch yourself lost in thought, lovingly bring your awareness back to your natural breath. No judgments, no labels. Remember, distractions are inevitable. Rather than criticizing yourself, know that as soon as you catch your mind wandering, you've already done the work. So find a sense of kindness as you return to your breath again and again. Notice the moment your inhale begins and stay with it all the way to the end. There's a tiny pause as your breath shifts into an exhalation. Keep following your out-breath to the very end, where it shifts again into the next inhale. Now, let your attention soften. Lots of things impact our self-esteem. We might build our inner worth on how full our bank account is, how successful we are at work, or our relationship strength. But our formative years as children are the most significant factors that influence how we view ourselves. This is how our opinions about who we are formed. If we were fortunate enough to grow up with guardians who supported and respected us, chances are that we learned to value ourselves as adults. But if we grew up on the receiving end of abuse or criticism, we likely end up struggling with self-esteem. The thoughts and beliefs that were imparted on us as children form the beliefs we hold about ourselves as adults. The first step in redefining your self-worth is to take a good look at these beliefs. Though it can be helpful to understand, there's no need to pinpoint exactly where the critical voice was born. Simply acknowledging its presence allows you to quiet it. So start to lean in. The idea isn't to judge your thoughts and words, but to become aware of them, just like you become aware of your breath in meditation. Once you've learned to recognize them, ask yourself if you would treat a friend this way. By noticing the harsh words you use, you can also choose to stop saying them. Remember, it takes time and patience to learn how to speak gently to yourself. But this is precisely how we begin to rebuild our self-esteem. So be kind and loving with yourself as you embark on this journey. Now gently return to your breath, sending a wave of kindness into your entire body. Become aware of the room around you. Slowly move your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this session. See you again tomorrow.